Hey YouTube, I'm here to share with you my washing out process of the Chebe after 6 months. So this is just a quick, texture shot of how my hair looked once the Chebe was pretty much washed out. It took a lot of shampooing and rinsing and more shampooing to get all of the powder out, just because I wanted to flat iron my hair. So it did take a lot of shampooing. But as you can see, my texture is pretty much still the same as it was. It didn't change or anything. And also, I didn't really notice that my hair was any thicker once everything was washed out. But let me tell you guys, it felt so good to wash my hair. Like, oh my gosh, you just don't know. And to get my scalp like scratched, oh my gosh, it was heaven. But anyway, like I said, I use a ton of shampoo. And my last shampoo that I did was using the Mielle products, and that was kind of like the whole thing that I did. Mielle shampoo, Mielle deep conditioner, and Mielle leave-in conditioner. And then this is the deep conditioner in my hair. And then I'm just going to add some oil to do a hot oil treatment at the same time that I'm doing the deep conditioning, just because I wanted to kind of do a little bit of everything that I could think of to my hair, just because, I haven't done anything in a while. But surprisingly, my hair was in very good condition after 6 months of very little manipulation and without washing. I was surprised at how healthy it was. And the oil that I'm using here is just grapeseed oil. And that is the last oil that I was using when I was doing the Chebe process, because that's what I had on hand. So we're just going to continue to use that because I don't have anything else. And if you wanted to see it taken down, you can watch the pre-poo video. And I kind of worked through it there. And then I'll also be uploading another video showing my hair flat iron, and I guess a more in-depth process of how the Chebe worked for me. And I am, to do my deep condition and my hot oil treatment, I am going to be sitting under a soft hooded dryer. And I'm going to be sitting under it for about 30 minutes. But overall, I did enjoy this process. I did retain a bunch of length. And my hair was in like really, really good condition. And yes, I'm using a grocery bag because I don't have shower caps. And they work the same. And this is the hooded dryer that I'm using. And then this is my hair after I deep conditioned and hot oiled it and rinsed it out. This is what it's looking like. And this is already with the Mielle leave-in conditioner in it. And I'm going to let it air dry overnight. And this is what it looked like in the morning. My hair still acts the exact same way. Because if I wouldn't have twisted it like this, it would have shrunk up a bunch and been tangled. But this is it after it air dry overnight. It was still like a little damp, so I did have to go in and blow dry it before I got ready to flat iron it. And I'm just going to add some more leave-in conditioner to it before I blow dry it. And then I'm also going to add some heat protectant before I blow dry it, of course. And I'll go more into detail on like my final results after I did everything in another video. but at this point it's just like my hair did not get any thicker. It only looked like it did get like super duper thick just because it had a lot of product buildup in it, but it didn't get weaker or lose any strength, but it didn't become thicker like it appeared to be. But it did retain length like it appeared to be. And surprisingly, like I said, my hair was in very good condition after not doing anything for 6 months. And my ends, I was expecting like a lot of damage, I guess, just because that's what I'm used to when I go to the salon. But this time, like, my ends were in like phenomenal condition. Like, I had a few, of course, split ends, but it wasn't as bad as it normally is. And I was just showing you my scalp because people were asking about it. And then this is my hair after it's been blow dried. And I think I'm going to continue to do the Chebe process like once I get over my hair, just because I'm not at my goal length yet. And since it did help me achieve length like it did, I gained 5 inches in 6 months. I figure I should continue it until I get to my goal. And for those asking where I got my Chebe powder from, I put it in the description box of my initial video, and I will also drop it in the description box in this video. So I'm here just showing you what it looks like lengthwise when it's blow dried. And it was pretty much true to length, the same way it was when I did the update videos with the Chebe still in my hair. And I got about equal results as far as length retention and stuff like that. I got about the same results using the mask and the traditional method. But foregoing, when I restart, I would definitely be using the traditional method just because I don't want to have to worry about my hair starting to stink with leaving it in as long as I did. And as you can see, I'm a little bit below bra strap, but I did have to, I did clip like about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of my ends off. And so I may be a little bit back at bra pretty much after my ends were clipped. And this is it, flat iron, of course. And I only did 1 pass, which was surprising to me because I normally have to do a few on my hair, but this time I only did 1 pass, and it didn't get it bone straight, of course. It still had like a little bit of texture in it, but it did it enough to where I was satisfied. And this is before I clip my ends, so you'll see like they don't look super horrible as I was expecting them to be. But check out my next video to get a more, I guess, realistic view of my thoughts on the whole thing. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope if you tried, you have some great results too. And I'll see you guys next time.